Edelweiss multi-cap fund NFO. Will this fund help you create wealth, or will this fund hurt your wealth creation process? Let us analyze and review this NFO in detail. NFO is open till 18th October 2023. First, let us understand what is a multi-cap fund. A multi-cap fund is a diversified mutual fund that can invest across market capitalization. Means this multi-cap fund will be able to invest in small cap, mid cap and large cap. In fact, a multi-cap fund must be invested in small cap, mid cap and large cap. 25% of the capital invested in each cap stock. The remaining 25% is in the fund manager's command. It is an open-ended equity fund. The benchmark for this particular fund is Nifty 500 multi-cap 50-25-25 TRA index. Minimum investment for this particular NFO is rupees 5,000. There is no entry load and the monthly SIP is 500. Fund manager is Pradeep Bhattacharya. The investment objective of this fund is to provide investors with opportunities for long-term growth in capital from a diversified portfolio of equity and equity-related instruments across market capitalization. Edelweiss Multi-Cap Fund provides diversified allocation across market capitalization. It looks for the viability of the business than the sector of operation. This fund focuses more on undervalued stocks. This fund uses active stock selection. This fund is an actively managed fund. This is not an index fund. Means the fund manager will study the entire company's balance sheet, profitability, sustainability, and then he will choose to invest in that company or not. He will not blindly cut, copy, paste the index. What are the advantages of this Edelweiss multi-cap fund? Because this fund can invest in any sector, sector bias might get eliminated. Because it is a diversified equity fund, can invest in all capitalization. This can align with your long-term financial goals. This fund has got the privilege to invest across market capitalization. A fund manager will be able to reasonably diversify your portfolio across sector and across capitalization. Compared to a small cap and mid cap fund, this fund has got lesser risk because 25% of the money will be minimum invested in large cap. In the long run, there is a potential for this fund to deliver capital appreciation. When I say long term, it is 7 years plus. We have seen what are all the advantages of investing in this NFO. What are all the potential demerits? It is equally important for an investor to understand what are the risks involved in this fund before committing to invest in this fund. Because this fund forces the fund manager to invest minimum 25% in each capitalization, it may lead to over-diversification. Over-diversification has got the potential to dilute the overall return. The fund management style for this fund is actually unknown. We don't know whether the fund manager will follow a contrast strategy, the fund manager will follow a growth strategy, a momentum strategy. We don't know. So we have to wait and see. We are taking kind of blind risk here because there is no clear track record for this fund because it is an NFO. Whereas there are other multi-cap funds which are available in the market with a good amount of track record. It is better to choose a fund after analyzing the track record and invest in it. Because we are not able to analyze the past track record and there is no portfolio for this fund, we are not able to take a calculated risk. What kind of stocks this fund will invest, what kind of portfolio this fund will have, we are not very sure. We have analyzed the advantages and disadvantages in detail. What is the final takeaway? Can we invest in this fund or do we have to avoid this fund? Let us see. If you are an investor who would like to invest in a multi-cap fund, why Edelweiss multi-cap fund? That too in an NFO. Because there are other multi-cap funds available in the market which has got good amount of track record. So you can choose a multi-cap fund with a track record of 7 to 10 years and choose the best out of that instead of investing in an NFO where there is no track record. Investing in an NFO is like sending your kids to a newly opened school. Normally we try to send our kids for education in a very reputed institution which has got better track record. When there is no track record, we should go for an NFO. And without proper portfolio and we are not able to do a research on the performance of this fund, the investment becomes risky. Not only just risky, it is a blind risky investment. If you are a very aggressive investor and you got spare money to invest in this fund and you want to experiment, you can start with a minimum investment. You can consult your financial planner before investing in these kind of investment schemes because your financial planner will check what is the investment objective of the scheme and also what is the financial goal of you. If both tallies, then only he will recommend that to you. Second, he will also be able to check what is the kind of risk you are willing to take and what is the kind of risk this particular fund has. Only if both tallies, he will be recommending it to you. What is the overlap ratio? The new scheme which you are planning to consider versus your existing portfolio. What is the overlap ratio? because you are investing in this new scheme, is it going to bring new set of stocks to your portfolio, or the same set of stocks owned by other funds and other stocks in your portfolio is what getting replicated here? That means there's no good in owning this fund because of high overlap ratio. These things, again, your financial planner or a professional mutual fund distributor will be able to assess. Fourth point is allocation. How much do you invest in this particular scheme in question? Again, that will be addressed by a professional mutual fund distributor or a financial planner. So before taking an investment decision like this, I urge you to consult your financial planner or a professional mutual fund distributor. I'll again meet you with yet another good quality video. Thank you. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.